If you're looking for the best compound miter saw in 2025, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a professional carpenter, an experienced woodworker, or a DIY enthusiast, choosing the right miter saw can make all the difference in your projects. But with so many options on the market, how do you know which one is worth your investment? Well, that's exactly what we're here to find out. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 compound miter saws that offer power, precision, and durability to help you get the perfect cut every single time. We'll be reviewing the Bosch CM10G, Craftsman 10J Compact Sliding Miter Saw, DeWALT W717, RIDGID MS255SR, and the RYOBI TSS102L. These saws have been tested for their performance, accuracy, ease of use, and overall value. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one suits your needs best. But before we jump into the reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our expert tool reviews and buying guides. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like. It really helps us bring you more valuable content. Also, be sure to check the description box and the first comment below for links to each of these miter saws with the latest prices and exclusive deals. We always keep our links updated, so you can grab the best discounts available right now. Now let's get started and find out which compound miter saw is the best choice for you in 2025. Bosch CM10G. The Bosch CM10G 10-inch dual-bevel sliding miter saw is a game changer for both professional carpenters and DIY enthusiasts looking for a powerful yet compact tool. This saw is engineered with a 15-amp motor, delivering 4,800 revolutions per minute, ensuring clean, precise, and effortless cuts through wood, molding, and even some soft metals. What sets the Bosch CM10G apart is its axial glide system, which provides smooth and controlled cutting, reducing workspace requirements compared to traditional rail systems. The dual bevel functionality with 52° left and 60° right miter capacity allows for increased versatility, making crown molding and complex cuts easier than ever. The adjustable miter detents and a visible laser guide ensure pinpoint accuracy, reducing errors and improving efficiency. Whether you're working on home renovation projects, cabinetry, or professional framing, this saw delivers top-tier performance. Additionally, its integrated dust collection system keeps your workspace clean and enhances visibility. If you're looking for a high-precision, durable, and space-saving compound miter saw, the Bosch CM10G is a fantastic investment. Check the description box for the latest price and exclusive deals. Craftsman 10J Compact Sliding Miter Saw. For those who want a compact, affordable, and highly functional sliding miter saw, the Craftsman 10J Compact Sliding Miter Saw is a top contender. This saw is powered by a powerful 15-amp motor, generating 4,500 revolutions per minute for smooth and efficient cutting across hardwoods, softwoods, and plywood. One of its best features is the sliding rail system, which allows for extended crosscut capacity without compromising on precision. The dual bevel design lets you make bevel cuts up to 45 degrees in both directions, making it ideal for trim work, baseboards, and framing projects. Additionally, the LED cutline position system ensures you never miss your mark, even in low light conditions. Unlike bulkier miter saws, the lightweight and compact frame makes it easy to move and store. Its dust collection port effectively minimizes sawdust, keeping your workspace clean. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, user-friendly, and highly accurate sliding miter saw, the Craftsman 10Up Compact is a great choice. Click the link in the description for the best discounts. The DeWALT DW717 10-inch double-bevel sliding compound miter saw is built for heavy-duty performance and unmatched precision. DeWALT is known for its reliability, and this saw is no exception, featuring a 15-amp motor with 4,000 revolutions per minute, allowing it to power through thick hardwoods, pressure-treated lumber, and large baseboards effortlessly. One of the standout features is its double bevel design, providing up to 48° bevel capacity in both directions, which is ideal for contractors and woodworkers handling complex miter cuts. The stainless steel detent plate offers 11 positive stops, ensuring repeated accuracy and efficiency. The exclusive cam-lock miter handle makes adjustments quick and hassle-free. Plus, the tall sliding fence supports crown molding cuts up to 6 inches vertically. Another huge benefit is the integrated dust bag, which significantly reduces mess. Whether you're a professional carpenter, cabinet maker, or serious DIYer, the DeWALT DW717 is an excellent choice for high-precision cutting with ultimate durability. Check the first comment for the product link and latest price. The RIDGID MS255SR 10-inch dual-bevel sliding miter saw is designed for professionals who demand power, durability, and precision in one package. This saw is equipped with a robust 15-amp motor, delivering up to 5,000 revolutions per minute, making it one of the fastest and most powerful saws in its category. One of its most remarkable features is the shadow line LED cut indicator, which offers a high level of accuracy by casting a crisp shadow on the workpiece. The dual bevel feature allows 0 to 45 DU4 tilt on both sides, making it easier to create angled cuts for furniture making, crown molding, and framing. The extended sliding rails give it an impressive cross-cut capacity, handling boards up to 12 inches wide. Another standout aspect is the ergonomic D-handle design, which ensures comfort during extended use. With its exceptional build quality, precision cutting, and user-friendly features, the RIDGID MS255SR is a solid investment for professionals and DIYers alike. Check the description box for exclusive discounts. RYOBI TSS 102L. If you're searching for a high-performance yet budget-friendly sliding compound miter saw, the RYOBI TSS 102L is an excellent option. This 10-inch dual-bevel miter saw is powered by a 15-amp motor, capable of 5,000 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for fine woodworking, flooring, and framing projects. One of its standout features is the integrated laser alignment system, which provides accurate cutting lines for better precision and efficiency. The sliding head design increases cross-cutting capacity, allowing it to handle wide boards and large materials. Its dual bevel capability enables you to make precise bevel cuts up to 45 degrees, which is perfect for crown molding and angle cuts. Despite being one of the more affordable models, it offers impressive power, accuracy, and durability. The dust collection system effectively reduces mess, keeping your workspace clean. If you're a beginner or looking for a cost-effective yet powerful miter saw, the RYOBI TSS 102L is a fantastic choice. Check the first comment for the latest deals. And that wraps up our list of the best compound miter saws for 2025. We've gone through the top 5 models, breaking down their features, strengths, and what makes them stand out from the rest. Whether you need a high-precision professional saw like the Bosch CM10G or DeWALT DW717, a budget-friendly powerhouse like the RYOBI TSS 102L, or something in between, there's a perfect miter saw for every project. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these miter saws caught your attention? Are you leaning toward the Bosch for its precision, the RIDGID for its power, or the Craftsman for its compact design? Let us know in the comments below. We always love hearing your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tool reviews, buying guides, and woodworking tips. We upload regularly, so stay tuned for our next review on the best power tools of 2025. And remember, all the miter saws featured in this video are linked in the description box and pinned comment below. Be sure to check them out for the latest prices, discounts, and special offers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.